Hi, and welcome to my channel. I am Peter. I build custom scale model cars and RC cars and trucks for customers or for myself. In this video I'm going to do a little review from this Daf 1/18 scale from IXO Models. I am going to use this model to make an exact replica for a customer of me. First, let's take it out of the box. The truck is nicely packed and it's really heavy. All the parts like the mirrors and all the other things came in a separate bag. The truck is held together by a couple of Phillips screws. So let's undo them and let's take the truck out of the box. And when you're new at my channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, put on your notifications bell. I think IXO Models did a great job while creating this truck. The chassis and the cab is all made of metal. On the rear the truck doesn't have any suspension, but on the front it have. It even moves like a real truck. It got opening doors and a really nice detailed interior. The doors open and close nicely and the paint job is really amazing. But later on in this video series we are going to change the appearance from this truck. It feels like the cab has suspension too, but it's not, it's broken off. It's weird because the box didn't have any damage, but the truck did have some damage, like a missing light and some scratches on the roof. I contacted my supplier, he was very sorry and he did me a couple of euros back. But if you want a truck like this, it's not really expensive and it's really nicely made. So yeah, and I'm going to change it to this. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Put on your notifications bell and I hope I see you the next time. Bye bye.